Hello, so I today want to talk a little bit about the mobile strategy of Realtech's Dot4 IT Service Management. Yeah, so we have two different parts. One part on the left side is the normal mobile usage, which is using HTML5 responsive design, and it's available on all platforms that have a web browser, basically. Um, and we provide all functionality which is needed on the mobile. So that's create, update, close tickets, and all the other stuff you normally have to do if you're not working on your PC workstation. So that's all available, but we also have these one-click services, which means if you get an email, you go with one click on a link, and this link will provide you directly to our system, but you don't need to have any password and so on, because you automatically have a secure connection with that one-click service from our mobile usage. Yeah, so that's the left part. And on the right, this is something which will be next month available, and this is the on the one part um, the AI enhanced mobile RIA image recognition, and it's also on the top the Teams integration, which is available right now. So we have our Realtech's intelligent assistant. We call it RIA. It's an artificial intelligence where you can start, create, update tickets directly. Very useful for the normal user who wants to open his incidents or has a service request and so on. So in the Teams integration, which will be shown in a demo also, we have that bot available to do incident and service requests, and we can also enhance these features with additional um, things on demand. Just let us know if you need something special there. And then we will have the RIA Image Recognition available in October 2020, where we will have the availability of an app, which is a native app on Android or also on iPhone. And we can create tickets with an image. So whenever you take a photo or an image on your app, on your mobile device, then we can automatically categorize the tickets that will be created, and RIA is offering a service based on the image taken. So here you see some examples how that could be. So for example, you take a photo of a PC, then RIA is offering to open an incident on PC is not working. But it's also possible to offer several other services. This is depending on the configuration in Dot4. So when you configure in our application, these are the keywords to start this service. And we take an image, we check these keywords, and then offer this service. So another example would be, for example, you have a pool car which is damaged, and you take a photo of that. RIA is automatically checking the contents of that image and offers to open an incident, pool car damaged. Yeah, so that's basically the Realtech strategy on mobile. Now I will add some other videos to show the contents. Yeah, now the mobile usage on iPhone in a short video. Yeah, so this is our normal intro when we get on the iPhone, and then you see here these are assigned tickets to me, and just assume we got a new ticket and it's very important. I got an email and then I click on that link. I come directly to the ticket, or I just go into the portal and check for assigned tickets. And then you see these 3 tickets are assigned to me. In this case, it's kind of installed sub UI, and I can go directly to the ticket and edit it here. And you see here it's new and uncategorized, so I put it on active in process. And this is Bogdan Krankowitz asking for hardware, and I just check for the description. My subGUI is not installing, I get errors. Now, this is really something we have had in our company. I was not updating my Windows. Please update your Windows. Your Windows version is too old. Actually, really happened a few days ago for me, and so I just sent that out, and I just save it, and now Bogdan Grenkowitz will get an email directly from the system, and you see the UI is working here completely yeah, handy and convenient. What you also can do is you can go on any on any services, on any menus that we have here. You can do reports and so on. And for example, I could also say I go via service operation create ticket, and then I create a new ticket. And here are the available tickets that I can open. So for example, an incident, and you see at the top is normally what's in our UI on the top, but here you can choose the user, like again we put it on Bogdan Grenkowitz, and the category could be hardware or network, and so on and so on, and you can store it. You see here name is needed, and I just want to show you the basic usage of the system. What's also possible, I just close that. You can search for incidents or whatever with a name. So for example, here we can search for that demo, and you see, here is the hardware found, and you can go directly to that hardware and look for the general data and so on. Yeah, that's basically it. So that's on the iPhone and also on other mobile devices. And now a short example of our one-click services available on any mobile device. Yeah, so this example is for our one-click services. Imagine you are a supporter and have an open ticket for PC is not working, and you don't know how to help the customer, and then you can just ask any colleague. You have an email address, so I can, for example, put in here Bernd Ludwig, and that's myself, of course, but for the demo reason, that's very good. So I ask, can you please check Mr. Brian's PC? I would be very thankful, and I can just do that not public, that the customer does not know that I asked Bernd Ludwig. And what's happening now, the system is sending an email to Bernd Ludwig, and he can then answer with one click, which I will show on another screen. Okay, what you see now here is the email I got. Of course, yeah, it's 2 times Bernd Ludwig because I'm the one who is doing the support role here, and also who's doing the role that I can help. So I get that question, Bernd Ludwig, can you please check Mr. Brian Spizilli? It would be very thankful. So I answer that question directly with that link. And then you see, I have this window where I can directly answer. No need to log in or to get a password or something like that, because with a secure link, we can answer that question directly. And I answer, yes, I can help Mr. Brian. And then this answer is, of course, directly going to the ticket again. And you will see then in the ticket that I will help. So this is an example of our one-click services. And now, last but not least, our new RIA Image Recognition. Thank you. I hope this was interesting for you.